Unveiling the secret to accessing the trending Sora 2 app. A journey into the world of AI-generated content. The future of social media is here, and it's AI-powered. In a world where social media platforms are constantly evolving, OpenAI's latest creation, Sora, has sparked curiosity and controversy alike. Are you ready to dive into this unique digital realm? Meet Caitlin Chadraoui, your AI and social media expert. Caitlin, a talented writer at CNET, specializes in unraveling the impact of AI on our digital lives. With a degree in media and journalism from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, she's the perfect guide to navigate this exciting yet complex landscape. The rise of Sora, a social network with a twist. Imagine a social media platform where every video is AI generated. That's right. Sora, named after its video-generating AI, is an experiment that challenges our perception of authenticity online. Despite the app's disclaimer, OpenAI invites users to connect with friends in this unique environment. But here's where it gets intriguing. To join this exclusive club, you need an invite code from an existing member. It's like a digital VIP pass. Your step-by-step guide to securing an invite code. Download the Sora app from the Apple App Store. Look for the distinctive navy and white cloud icon. Log in using your ChatGPT account or opt for a different login method. Tap Notify Me when access opens to stay updated. Allow Sora to send you push notifications for important updates. OpenAI plans a gradual rollout, prioritizing its pro users and expanding to new countries soon. Once you obtain an invite code, you'll unlock the ability to create your Sora account and explore this innovative platform. The bigger picture. AI's impact on content creation. Sora is just the tip of the iceberg. AI video and image generators are revolutionizing content creation. Check out CNET's insights on AI video generators and the best AI image generators to explore this exciting frontier further. A thought-provoking question for you. As we embrace AI-generated content, how do we navigate the line between creativity and authenticity? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a conversation about the future of digital media.